Hi, and welcome to the first video in a short series of videos that will help you as a parent navigate through the Kearney Schools Genesis Parent Portal. In order to access the portal, you will go to the Kearney Schools website at www.kearneyschools.com. At the top, there is a tab for parents, and you will go down to the Genesis Parent Portal. Here you will log in with the provided email and password that you have set up for this account. In the event you forgot your password, you can click on the Forgot My Password link, and that will send a temporary password to your registered email. And in the event you're still having difficulties, you can email Ms. Avidable at mavidable@kearneyschools.com, and she will help you troubleshoot through any issues you're having getting logged in. Once you log in, it brings you to the summary page. The summary page includes information on your child. It will have a picture providing one has been uploaded into the system. It'll provide your child's homeroom, counselor, age, a lunch balance, if any money is on the lunch account. It will give the schedule for that day. So since I am logging in on 12/8/2020, this is the schedule for this day. It'll also give you a quick screenshot of this week's attendance and any assignments that are due. Across the top are all the tabs you will need to keep track of everything going on. As I mentioned, your initial login brings you to the summary page. There is an attendance page. There is a grading page where you will find report cards and interim progress reports, a discipline page, fees and fines, and the gradebook page. Documents you do not have to worry about. Forms will have any forms that the district has sent out that requires any action from you. Course pages and letters you also do not have to worry about. Okay, your message center is up here. Any messages sent out from the district will be here. Okay, so new forms that need to be filled out, acceptable use policy, student teacher parent compact. These are all the forms that you're given in the beginning of the year. Due to the fact that we are virtual, they are all in here and do require action on your part. Okay, and stay tuned for additional videos that will navigate you through each tab. Thanks so much.